Most of us take it for granted that there'll be fresh fruit in the stores all winter long. But citrus growers often have trouble getting oranges and grapefruits to our supermarkets during the cold season. In the past few years, fruit growers have spent millions of dollars trying to save their crops from winter freezes. These oil heaters are used for freeze protection. Crews can set them up early in the evening, and flames will warm the orange or grapefruit groves until morning. Many nights during the winter, Florida growers are faced with the decision whether to call out standby freeze protection crews at a cost of about $36,000 per hour, or to risk having crops ruined by an unexpected freeze. But now, NASA, the University of Florida, and NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, are developing a system to warn growers about freezing temperatures, using a computerized and more accurate means of forecasting the freeze line. Information from the GOES-1 weather satellite is received at the Ruskin National Weather Service station just east of Tampa Bay and relayed around the state, alerting growers when and where to protect their groves.
We collect up to 3 hours of data from the key stations, and at 8 p.m. we enter that data into the computer. At that time we will have our 8 p.m. satellite scene in the computer. It takes a few minutes to type the data in, and from that point on it's very fast. The computer takes over and produces the maps. So by about 8:30 in the evening we can have our predicted maps for the rest of the evening.
Okay, Jim, here's the key station data for this hour.
Okay.
Soil temperatures, 55.3, 52.7, 51.3. Air temperatures, 55.2, 56.3, 57.8. Dew point is 35. This is the O2Z picture.
Yes.
Looks like we've got mid-40s in central Florida. Perhaps some near freezing temperatures in north central. Let's blow this area up at north central.
Okay.
Yes, that's the area. Yeah, it looks like there are some temperatures right at 32 up in north central Florida.
That correlates real closely with the reports we've received from growers.
Florida has certain cloud patterns that make it conducive to satellite weather predictions.
A normal severe freeze for Florida produces a very dry air mass over the state, which eliminates any cloud cover. And this is one thing that makes the system work well in Florida. When we have very, very cold temperatures, we do not have clouds obscuring the satellite data. It gives us a very clear picture of the state using the satellite scenes.
Oil heaters, computers, and satellites, working together to help citrus growers bring an abundance of winter fruit to our supermarkets.